Hello, eyebrows. Hello, eyebrows. Eyebrows. I don't have any eyebrows. Me, 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 me. Me, me. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Junior's Journey, where I talk about Christ, Christian life, beauty, and makeup. Today, I'm going to show you guys how I got this eye look. We're happy with it. At first, I was a little bit concerned, confused on whether or not I actually wanted to follow through with this look, but she's not so bad. We're not upset at her. So if you guys want to see how I did this look and stuff, please keep on watching. Let's get to the video. Let me bring you in. Let me get you real close. Okay. You already know what I do, what it does, what it is, what it was. Okay, sorry. ADHD is ADHDing. I believe she is. I have my ring light now, which is great. It's somewhere over yonder. So we're just gonna use the sun, our God-given sun. Hallelujah. First thing, obviously, prime. Y'all already know the dealio. I mean, I should probably like do one eye off camera and then come back, but where's the fun in that? We're learning together. I'm doing a completely new and different look than what I normally do. I've been having a lot of fun with eyeshadow lately, so why not just keep doing that? I'm gonna take my Sophie X Revolution palette. I'm gonna take Running Late. This color right here, Running Late, happily describes my entire life. It's a really cool orangey transition color. Pat that into the creasy area, like so. If you hear these loud birds, they've been tormenting my dog all day. She thinks that they're always talking trash about her. And swivel that all up in the creasy. So now you got that transition in there. Now we can go in with Cheesecake, which is this brownie kind of color. Gonna work that into the crease a little bit lower than where we had placed that Running Late color. Pat it in and then kind of swivel. Sometimes we have weird eyelids. That's why we have that transition color, so it's easy and blendable. What was that? Am I even speaking English? I wonder how people who don't speak English, what does it sound like to them? Has anybody ever thought of that? Boom, that's where it's hitting. It's hitting, y'all. Wipe off your dirty pencil brush, because that's all I have around here are dirty pencil brushes. I'm gonna take brownies. This deep color here. Take brownies. And I'm also gonna deepen that outer corner here and work that up into the crease. I realize I haven't eaten yet today. Don't be like me, kids. Make sure that you eat a well-balanced breakfast. Also go back in with that cheesecake color and diffuse those edges. Welcome to the page and the channel of mistakes. We make a lot of them over here. Deepen that crease. Colore. Is that Italian? Someone tell me in the comments. Share your ideas with everyone in the beauty community. Tell us what you're thinking, what you want out of life, how the Lord has blessed you. Talk about it in the comments. I'd love to talk to you. This is gonna be a really quick look, guys. This is something that I came up in my brain last night, and I don't know how it's going to come out, but we are living in high hopes, living on a prayer right now. I want a sticky base for my eyeshadow, because I got this brand new palette full of glitters and they look super pretty. I'm gonna take my my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and I'm gonna use that as an eyeshadow base. I know, super weird, but if it's sticky for the face, it might be sticky for other things too. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to pack that onto my eyelid. This feels really wrong, but don't worry. I'm gonna go in with my Sin City Essence palette. This has a lot of pretty shimmers and, let me take this off. There's a lot of pretty shimmers and all sorts of good stuff on it. And I'm gonna take this coppery shade. I've been feeling very coppery lately. And I'm going to pat that over where I just put that sticky base. Like this. It's kind of glittery. It's very pretty. I'm also gonna use this kind of bronzy shade as well. See how that works out. Very pretty. And if you feel like you need to, which I would suggest, go back in and deepen that outer V color. You know, if you need to. I would, because I'm that type of person. And go back in with Cheesecake. Yeah, this is kind of working. This isn't bad. Then I'm gonna take Dreams, this color, and I'm also gonna work that into the inner corner of my eye here. Like so. Yeah. Maybe this look will grow on me. I'm not the biggest fan of how it's looking right now, but we'll see when everything is said and done how I feel about it. I'm gonna take my angle brush that I used for my eyebrows, which is like wicked dirty. I'm gonna go back in with that dark brown brownie color, and I'm going to see if I could kind of smudge that into my already darkened lash line, but we're gonna darken it up a little bit more. Like that. This is a journey for all of us, y'all. Kind of want a little bit more definition because I'm an extra type of lady. And I'm gonna take this dark kind of blacky color, and it's called Reputation. I'm just gonna tap my brush into it and do this, kind of just focus it on the outside here. It's not bad. Maybe I'll use that to wing my eyeliner thingy out. Yeah, let's do that. Let's wing it. Just gonna give it a little bit of a wing situation here, see how we feel about it. How y'all feeling about this? We could even kind of press it into the upper lash line here. Daughter, smudge out that liner if you so choose, and I do so choose. Next, I'm gonna take this MAC. Oof, MAC, right? How many times do I say that on this channel? This MAC Technical eyeliner in the color Skyscape. I'm gonna line the bottom lash line. Can't even really remember where I got this liner. I just know that it's been in my collection for a while. It's not the most pigmented, but it works. I'm gonna also take this smudger brush. It's already dirty, but what's new? And then I'm gonna go back in that Vegas Sin City palette, and I'm gonna take, maybe I want to take this blue. It's kind of electric blue kind of thing, since I want color in my life. And then I'm just gonna pack it on the bottom of my eye here. Ooh. Just pat that on the bottom there. This stuff is really pigmented. Essence, you did a great job. Like that. I'm gonna take another pencil brush, and I don't know what else I'm doing. I'm gonna take a pencil brush in this color right here called Cookie Dough, and I'm just going to blend out the bottom of that eyeshadow. Gonna keep her contained. And just go back and forth. Ugh, I'm dropping things. Go back and forth with those two colors. I like the blue on the bottom, but I also don't want it to overpower the look too much. Kind of the thing that we're going for here. This wasn't particularly the look that I thought that I had in mind, but here we are. We're learning all together. Now for the inner corner highlight. Actually, I'm gonna take this color called Infinity. We're putting all the colors on our face today. This is a wing it type of look today, guys. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. And why not take Infinity, right? And stick it on the inner corner. Why not? Stick colors all over our face today. Ta-da! Blend it out if you need to. You don't have to be like messy like me, because your homegirl's a mess. And even take some more of that goldeny kind of dreams color here and pop it on the brow bone, because I am never gonna say no to a brow bone highlight. We just have a lot of colors happening today, and that's a-okay, that's fine. It's not particularly the vision that I had in mind, but you live and you learn. Makeup is about making mistakes. I'm gonna go do it to the other eye, add my lashes, and be back. Yeah. So here is the final look, my people. This is what we're looking like. I have on my lips my staple Nika K brown lip liner pencil. I have my Essence semi-matte lipstick in the color Lovable. I love this color. And then because I wanted to kind of keep this bronzy, coppery kind of theme, I topped that off with Bronze Shimmer by MAC, so I can get a little bit of a glimmer look. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and comment, subscribe, so the algorithm can just pop and push all of this goodness out. I really enjoyed how this came out, and I thank you guys for being here. And if no one told you today or at any point in time, I love you. Bye.